Hey everyone, and welcome back to the CopQuest YouTube channel. My name is David. I'm the manager of agency sales, and today we're going to be talking about Safariland Quick Locking System. So that's QLS. That's what the acronym for it is. To show you, I'm going to take this 7360 holster. So that is a mid-ride level 3 holster, and show you the different parts of it. So what we're going to start off with is the QLS 19, or commonly referred to as a fork. So the fork is what goes onto the holster itself. Okay, and to show you what it looks like, here we are. So this is actually a 7390 holster that we have now put a fork onto it. That way you can see what it looks like. You can quick note, you can change the cant, so if you like having a positive or a negative, you can kind of play with this and get your perfect feel. Now, seeing this, you may ask, well, how do I wear that? Well, what you need is the matching piece, which is referred to as the receiver plate, or from Safariland, it is the QLS 22. As a side note, everything that you're seeing comes in different colors, so you can color match, or if you want to go crazy and have a rainbow party on, what do you do with the receiver plate? You take your belt loop adapter and you'll put this on here with the hardware that's included in the packaging, and then you're able to take your holster and slide it on, take it off. So if you want to swap out holsters or go to, I don't know, a thigh rig, you can do that. But let's show you what it looks like with my demonstration here. So I've got a QLS 22 mounted on here. Pretend this is your belt loop adapter, and there we go. So you heard that audible click. That means your holster is nice and secure on there and it's not going anywhere. But hey, I don't know, you changed and you want to go to your tactical thigh rig. Let's line it up. There we go. Now you're secure. So it's quite easy to do this, but to show you up close how you actually remove them. So got a fork and the receiver plate. There we go. It's a little easier when there's a holster and a belt loop attached, but you still get the point across. Now to take it out, you're going to take these tines, push them in, and then push up at the same time. There we go. So that is the rundown of the various pieces of the QLS system. If you're interested in picking any up for yourself, check out our website, copquest.com, and pick some up today. Be safe and talk to you later.